The flat cappers are getting together, and we're going for a bit of a ride to test out Ken's new bike. We're at Taunton at the moment, and we're planning on going up to Lynmouth for our first stop. So as I have a look around here, we've got Andy, got Ken there, we've got Steve and Bossy Boots down there just signalling. Next to him in the high vis is Leighton, and then a new chap who I only met today, Rob. And we're going to meet Hayden in at the Quince Honey Farm, Moulton Hampstead. So we're off. Well, he's in a hurry. So our plan is we're leaving Taunton in a northwesterly direction, heading on up to Lynmouth for our first break. I was hoping we were going to come down the Axe Valley from Dunster down to the Quince Honey Farm, but I don't think we'll be coming down further west, which I'm sure will still be a fabulous road. Check that the last man's through. When I say man, it could be woman. Bit of a late signal there. Where's that last man? Just going to ease back a little bit. Should be two behind me, and there is. I'll just try and talk a little bit about my road positioning. First one is positioned for safety. Second is view. Stability. No, stability comes before view. Got a major junction ahead by the look of it, and we're actually going to turn into it. So double mirror check signal. Brakes. Gear. Accelerate. Change the speed limit back up to the national. Crossroads ahead, take a central position, back into the view, junction ahead, another sign in the bushes here. Double bend, first to the right, slow on the road. Shouldn't be surprised. That is not the mark of a seasoned advanced rider. We shouldn't be surprised by anything we come across, because we should be thinking ahead about what we can see, what we can't see, and what we can reasonably expect to be there. I could talk a good job, you know.